Look, I've already made a video talking about why you shouldn't bother with Honeygain app, but if you're still not convinced with my past claim that only referrals can make you good money with this, here's proof. I told you how I used Honeygain app on my phone, on my PC, everywhere I could, and I didn't really earn anything much. But guess what? To test out my theory, I posted my link in those videos, and through referrals, I got my first paycheck. It's a pretty straightforward step. Hey, congratulations, money's on your way. That's great. Except it's not. It's not directly on its way to your PayPal account, it's going through their payment partner called Tipalti. Look, I'll even show you. Here's the first email I got on the 1st of December saying, hey, Honeygainer, you have this and that, register to this link. Okay, fine. But I also got the same on 8th of December as well, despite registering on it. Well, I guess it worked the second time, and this is the confirmation to log in. Of course, I did that once, but now it's not logging in anymore. Whatever, maybe it's a temporary issue. Even the best apps like PayPal go down all the time, so it's fine. I'm not holding this against Tipalti for this time. I mean, look, even the lady on the corner is laughing like, this shit? Really? This is what you have? So I don't blame them. I mean, it's Sunday night when I'm recording this, so yeah, maybe they're not caring about this as much. They're like, yeah, we'll look after this tomorrow. So you can see I have got the confirmation from the other day for my payment details. The payment should be on its way, but you can see from my transaction history, nothing is coming from gathering data. It's all from referrals. This is why influencers promote this. I'm showing you here openly. Look, every single thing that I've gotten every day is from referrals. You know what's funny? All this happened because I recently opened Honeygain again after seeing someone's question in the comments about something. And when I opened it the second time, that's when I noticed that I've reached the payout limit. And look at this, I get some 500 schmeckles for everyone who signs up with my link, I guess. I've never claimed any of these before. Damn, that's a lot of credits, man. How many are there? I guess I may have unlocked the unlimited money glitch, boys. I'm genuinely getting tired of this. Oh man, being an influencer is such hard work. So apparently whenever someone joins with your link and I guess uses 2 GB of data on this, you get some 500 coins. This is why the influencers say download Honeygain, guys. Use my link in the description, guys. Even though you can do exactly the same by just going to their website. And you can see how far along those people are. And if I kind of refresh my dashboard here, you can see exactly how much I've made. There, literally in front of you, I got another $26, so I can request this if I want. Bro, is this a glitch in the matrix or something? Didn't I just clear this page? How is there even more? You see, this is how you actually make money on this app, by inviting others. Of course, those YouTubers will not tell you this. They'll just say, yeah, you can share your data and make money and all that. They'll even give you tips and tricks. But this is the only tip or trick you need. You need to know a lot of people, or you need to have some kind of a social platform using which they can join. I mean, look how easy it is to gain credits through the referrals. If I go back to my dashboard now, literally within minutes, I have made like $46. I can't seem to be getting a payout today, so I'll check this out some other time, but you get the point. Unless you have a sizable audience, this probably won't work for you. Although, if you still want to try, it's your choice. You can go to their website and try it directly. But yeah, I'm just presenting the facts to you directly with complete honesty. Look, I'll even show you my statistics from other months as well. I have gained nothing from gathering or content delivery. It's all from referrals or this special others tab, which is basically the credits that I get whenever someone signs up with my link. That's it. So yeah, don't fall for those influencers gimmicks. This is their real trick. Very few people can actually make money with data sharing. It just doesn't consume as much data at all. If it doesn't consume data, you don't get paid. You understand, right? I guess it depends on your IP address and your location. So since I'm living in the middle of nowhere with Courage the Cowardly Dog, maybe that's why no one is interested in my location. But look, it still took over 680 something people to be referred to my link so I can get a payout in such a long time. And I'm saying for the 4th time, don't waste your time with these kind of apps. They are not worth it.
There is no magical way of making money. The only way to make money is by providing value to people who can pay for that value. That is the first law of making money. But because a lot of people are looking for this magic bullet, they'll just kind of skip ahead.
Stop looking for shortcuts. Stop looking for ways to make money with this and that. This is not how you build passive income, and I have discussed it in my previous video. You can watch that if you haven't to explore alternatives to Honeygain, something that works better.